Hey guys, welcome back. So let's see what exactly happened in the last trading Friday. So hope you remember this line which I was draw in last month itself. So the exact line has been taken as a support. So it's touched 15,628, and from there it's bounced back. So it's a good indication. I don't think so market will go for a sideways for a long time. So I'm expecting some. I'm expecting tomorrow morning Nifty open above 15,800. So 15,800. It's going to be open, I guess. So as per the indication of SGX Nifty, which is showing 67 points plus, and where it's 56,000, 15,689. So I'm expecting it will open above 15,800. And the FII and AI data was in last Friday. FII sold 1,124 1,124 crores, and DII they brought 106 crores. So this candle, it's exactly reminding me this last 2nd July candle. See, exactly the same line taken as a support, and from there is a gap of opening almost 15,800, and from there it's rallied up to till the next day 15,918. So the same way I'm expecting. So in the top side it may get a resistance at 15,914 if I'm not wrong. So let's see what open interest says. So 15 July expiry open interest. So here it shows 15,700 and 15,800 as a lot of call options. So in case if the market open above 15,800 and sustains, so these people they have to close the calls and they need to run for the cover. So which will take the Nifty further in above side only. So you need to be very careful when you're trading for first 15 minutes. So relax and see what is the what is the a Nifty level. Then you can plan accordingly. If it sustain above 15,800, so you can go for a call option. So let's see the key levels which I'll be trading. Let's go to the 5 minutes chart. Okay, in the last trading session also, so it's exactly open our red line. So from here it's came down, and exactly it's touched our upper side red line. And even though I took a trade as soon as it's touched the red line, because entire global market was on a negative basis. So I was expecting a little bit sell off. So from there I take a put option, and I almost sold the close the call around over here. So from here it's the buyers started to come, so they took a little bit, and completely after that it was it's a sideway movement only. So the same key levels which I'm going to use it. And this particular key level I didn't talk about anything this one, because I have a suspect about this key level. It's either give the support or resistance. So I was under the impression that this key level, the rate will be moving in between this key level. So it's quite difficult to match whether we need to take a position in according to this key level. So that is the reason I kept the red line above. So I'm expecting it will go. I'm expecting it will open above 15,756, and if it's same thing happen in the sense, so I'll go for a call option, and I'll keep my first target 15,799 and 15,825 and 15,857, 15,883, and the top will be 15,917, and in case if it's touch 15,917, in case if it's sustain above, so I'll still hold my position. At the same time, if it's getting rejected in 15,917, so I'll from here I'll go for a put option and I'll wait. I'll keep my target till 15,825. Okay, so this is a Nifty. Let's see what is the status of Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is giving a clear indication it will go higher side only. So see 35,000 going to be the huge support, and where 30 the current spot price will be 35,071. So it's very difficult to go below 35,000, and the immediate resistance going to be 35,500. And if it's not that heavy support, so market may go up to 36,000 in the bank nifty. Let's see the bank nifty key levels. So there is no much changes in the key levels also, so the same key level I'm maintaining. And last Friday I haven't taken any trade in the bank nifty sector. So let's see if it's break 35,455, so I'll go for a call option and I'll keep my first target 35,606 and 35,787 and 35,917. At the same time, if it's break 35,269, so I'll go for a put option and I'll keep my first target 35,092. And it's quite difficult for us to reach further target, so as per the current scenario, because DJ Jones also is almost 408 48 points plus, and the Nasdaq 103 points plus. So we can expect some upper side movement only. So there is a possibility it may go on sustain above 35,917. So my personal view as of now it's bullish, so I'll concentrate on my call options only. And apart from a couple of stock which I'm planning to take a intraday or position, the Bandhan Bank is getting supported at exactly 312 rupees. So there is a possibility this Bandhan Bank go up above again. It may, I'm expecting by this month it may sustain above 357. So there is a possibility, and it's came all the way to 306, and from there good upper side movement has come, so it's getting the support at 300 and 311. So according to tomorrow status, so if it's open above than 318, and if it sustain over there, so I'll go for a call option in the Bandhan Bank. And Wipro also, so Wipro, we could see the huge support level was this is the last time highest, which is 526, the same exact place where the market, where the Wipro has been given the closing. So I'm expecting some upper side movement. So by next week it may reach till 550 if I'm not wrong. So let's see what is the status of Wipro's open interest. So Wipro open interest also showing some it's like not that much positive. If we could see 530 has been a huge call option has been written in the last Friday. So as of now, the Wipro also in a negative side only. You can see the red candle for a couple of last 1 week, almost 2 weeks. So it's getting huge resistance at 550. So 550 is going to be the huge resistance. So let's see what exactly happening tomorrow. And another stock, Anderson IndusInd Bank. So even last Thursday I was mentioned about that I will be planning. I'm planning for put option. So the same thing was exactly happened last Friday also. The put option would have given almost 3 to 4 thousand rupees, 1,000 rupees put option, 3 to 4 thousand rupees profit, and it's given a doji candle. So I'm expecting some downside only still in the IndusInd India Bank. So the first sub the first support going to be 1019. So if it's broke there, so the second support going to be 974. So there is a possibility. And the another one, Dr. Reddy. So Dr. Reddy also I'm expecting the support at 5386. So I still holding the put option. Let's see. So according to the it's very close to my stop loss. So let's see by tomorrow what exactly happened. And another one is Tata Motors. So Tata Motors is having a huge possibilities where you can accumulate for a long time. So it's getting the top first support going to be 280 rupees, and these are the best time to buy actually. So you can start to accumulate the stocks, 3 4 stocks, so which will, if you want to buy it for a swing trade or for the long term, so these are the better opportunity where you can buy in between 312 to 218. So you can accumulate as much as you want. And another one, TCS. So TCS, coming Wednesday they are about to you know release the first quarter result. So I'm expecting it's till Monday and Tuesday it may go till 3140. From 3140 there is a possibility to go up. So I'm expecting by Thursday or Friday it may reach 3355. There is a possibility it will go higher side. And Infosys also the same thing. The next week it's getting the result. They were about to announce the result, and until then there is a possibility it will trade in between 1570 to 1015 rupees. So in between there is a possibility of trading. And another stock which I have taken is UPL. So UPL has it has done, it hit all-time high 864, and from there is a profit booking, and it started to keep on moving in the sideways, and there is a good potential now. There is a possibility it may go again to the top level, so up to it may reach 855 also. There is a possibility, so I'm still keeping an eye on this UPL stock also. So let's see, according to tomorrow also we will plan. Before that, let me see UPL open interest. Okay, so it's as per the market, so it was going sideways for last 2 weeks. The same thing is happening. There is lot of put option and lot of call option, so this indicates the sideways, even though 820 rupees having the lot of call option return in the last Friday. So let's see what exactly, whether it's giving the breakout or not. So that's it for today, and trade carefully, and bye, see you tomorrow.